Bag. I am 9 years old and today I will participate about this topic. This topic is rising population is the barrier of development. In our country, there is the population is going more and more. So the
Population has been increasing day by
has
day.
been increasing day by day. So the trees are cutting and they are coming day by day very less. We can found the trees very less. So that is why, and like in coronavirus or if any disease came, so that time the trees will be there because the population will be top and the population will decrease, so it will good for our country. I will also tell because the population is increasing day by day, so the buildings we have to make buildings and that is why we are cutting the tree.
How will the population decrease if COVID arrives again?
So they will die. So that time if people will die, so the population will decrease.
Is it good that people will die if
Yes,
COVID arrives?
because we have to also die one day if there will be no tree, so we can take oxygen.
If
We have
COVID
to
arrives
also-
again, you and me may die also.
Yes, I know, but it is for the country I am taking.
For the country, you will accept that.
Yes, because there is much more population after the COVID-19. There is very much population and it is increasing day by day.
Okay, but why do you think the population has increased significantly after COVID-19? Is there any reason?
There is very much less when the COVID-19 arrived, but after the COVID-19 gone in 2021 or that time, so the population of now is very much. You can see right now the population.
Yes, that I know population has increased, but why has it increased after COVID?
I don't know about this because I am in class 5, so I don't know about full of this, but what I know that I am telling, and if there will be no trees, so we will die, and there is more, in the future there will be much more population. That time no one will get job very much easily like now, because there will be much more people and there will be no more offices, so where they will do work, so that time the people will not get the work, so many people will die. They will live in footpath, so they can die that time also without food. They can die in the future if the like this population will get up and there less bus and population less car, bikes, bus, but the population will be very much. So that is why I am telling about